Itura ria Kariobangi muciĩ munene wa Nairobi nĩ kĩeha kĩgirĩko na maithori aikari magĩcũrania kũrĩa mekurora thutha wa nyũmba ciao kũmomorwo. Ona gũtuĩka maugĩte ikinya rĩu nĩ rĩkũmahatĩrĩria, thirikari yugĩte arĩa makire nyũmba kũu nĩ mamenyaga atĩ mũgũnda ũcio warĩ wa thirikari na nĩ marahetwo mũkana wa gũthama.
People are told a year in advance, 6 months in advance, 5 months in advance. Then they will still come back later on and say, oh, we were not warned, we were not given enough notice. And people know this. People are told this in advance. You are actually sitting on public land. But then either people don't move or they just continue staying there.
There's a procedure of how people are supposed to be evicted. There's a procedure of how people are supposed to be given 3 months notice before eviction.
Matiang'i augĩte mũgũnda ũyũ wagĩrĩirwo gwakwo ceceni ya gũitĩrĩrwo maĩ ma gĩko, mũbango ũrĩa arauga nĩ ũrũgamĩte ihinda rĩnene.
We have even borrowed money as government to use to develop projects which we cannot develop because the land on which some of these projects are supposed to be developed has been grabbed by private individuals or encroached by people, and we cannot move.
Ona gũtuĩka maugĩte matũire mũgũnda-inĩ ũyũ na mena maratathi ma kuonania atĩ nĩ wao na maheirwo nĩ thirikari, matinga maya marerĩkana mararokire ruo rũrũ rutanatema na kwambĩrĩria kũmomora.
Sasa tulianza kusikia ati kuna bomolewa kitu saa 10. Sio unaona hatujajitayarisha. Sio saa 10 hata hujaamka. Sasa tunashindwa aje? Sasa kama Uhuru alifikishia na yao maneno, mbona situsaidie?
Sisi tunajipandisha, nyinyi mnaturudisha chini. Hii ni serikali gani? Uhuru Kenyatta mali huko unatuona. Hii ni nini? Ni hasara gani mmetuletea? Surely hii ni hasara gani?
Sielewi vile anaweza tuma ama serikali yake inaweza tuma askari asubuhi na mapema kubomolea wananchi ambao wana struggle, ambao ni watu elderly, ambao ni maskini, na especially wakati kama huu tunapigana na janga la COVID-19.
Thirikari yugĩte arĩa mahutĩtio nĩ megũteithio, no ho Matiang'i akauga ũyũ nĩ ũtũrĩka wa andũ kwĩgwatĩra indo ciene.
Walifanya makosa kwa sababu timing yao ilikuwa wrong. Hii ni wakati ya kupigana na coronavirus.
Corona iko. Maushago tunaambiwa tuendi. Sasa tunashindwaje? Tutaenda wapi? Wengine wamelala hapa. Tuko na watoto wadogo.
Sasa jana usiku tumelala hapa nje. Hii ni shida ina ngapi? Na mlikuwa mnasema corona. Corona gani sasa? Sasa ni kujaza corona hapa ama ni kuongezea?
But it's always easy for people to claim, oh, we were not told. We were not given sufficient notice. This is not the right time for us to move out of the place. And so on and so forth. Some of these, to be very honest, absolutely honest, some of these are just excuses. Let us just face the truth.
Kũrerĩkana aikari makĩria ya 7,000 nĩ mahutĩtio nĩ ũmomori ũyũ. Gĩribotera Inooro TV gĩtagwo mũitĩrĩri wa Wangari.